Okay, y'all. I don't think y'all understand how many times I have tried to do an apartment tour, but I just can't get it together. So, excuse the mess because I was in here watching TV. But, okay, so I'm going to throw this in part of the clip of my redecoration because the couches are about to go. The mirror, I don't know, I'm still debating on if I want to keep that right there. I'll take it in my room. I have to find longer curtains because, you know, those curtains just don't seem to hit the ground because the window is so high up. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the blue. But this couch is leaving us, you guys. This is my first like real sofa. And it's like almost 4 years old, but look at how good it looks. So I'm giving it away. So yeah, later today when I come back, my apartment's gonna look different. Look at that hip. I ain't got no booty. I'm really thick though. It's the gym booty. So yeah, when it's this way. Focus. Okay, so when I get my furniture in here, I'm gonna be back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today, I'm gonna give you guys a new apartment tour. Not like the last apartment tour. This one is much more homey. So let's get into it. So when you first walk in, you have the front door, you know, just your standard front door. And to the right, you have my pantry, you know. Probably ain't that much going on in there, you know, now. And I got my refrigerator, my protein mix pre-workout, and this was my key holder, but it fell, so I just stuck it up there. Then here's my counter top in the corner. Y'all got so much cabinet space. The other apartment, I ain't had this much cabinet space. So then I have my microwave, my stove. I was frying some chicken, so excuse that. The other two are in the dishwasher because I washed them. So yeah, I have my little IKEA plants, blender, coffee maker, speaker, and I also have, you know, the little pad where I can sit my phone on it to charge. Another thing I like about this apartment, the other apartment didn't have, is I got USB ports. So, you know, when people try to come over and they need a cube, they can stick it right there because charges disappear. So I have more cabinet space. I have my stove, more cabinet space all the way around to my dishwasher. This one came with a built-in microwave as well. And over here, I just got like random stuff. I got my, you know, IKEA plant everybody and their mama got. I got my candy jar, but they ate all the candy out. Here, I just have my, what is that called? Oh, my wax burner and a banana that I'm about to throw away and some lemons. At the end right here, I just have my little hookah set up because I'm like addicted to hookah. Hookah is my thing, so that is it. And I have some fresh flowers, yet they don't look so fresh. Okay, and over here I just got some flowers. I just have some flowers right here that I keep right there, and I have my paper towels and some little hand soap, so when I'm gonna cook or something I can just dibble right there. And then I turn this way, I have this door, which is my bathroom. I have my thermometer set right here. I got it set on, what is it on? 70, because it's hot. Then I have a picture of my mom. It's probably not gonna focus. And I have my uncle, rest in peace to both of them. And then I have my nephew slash little brothers. You're probably gonna be mad because I'm putting it on there, but I took this one down with the little, well, it's not focusing, but y'all, they're so big. They were babies. Now look. Come on, focus. Oh no, it won't focus, but I'm gonna eventually take both of those down, and this is like an unofficial furnished apartment tour, because I want to get a entryway table. I'll probably get some little cute decorations to go on top, and then put a cute little mirror or something on top. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with those pictures, but yeah, they're gonna stay right there for now. Then I have this door, which leads to my bedroom. So to my left is my living room. So I have my TV up. Oh, I ain't got my wig on. I got my TV. I got my IKEA TV stand with my little bulldog, and I have my favorite candle. It's Vanilla Bean, Bath and Body Works, and I have this flower. I don't know where I got it from because I've had it for almost every apartment that I was in. And I have another one of those chargers you can just sit your phone on, and this little decorative thing. And down here I just have my sage and my crystals. Okay, so if you keep going, then you have this mirror. I'm not gonna put myself in the mirror because I don't have my hair on, so whatever. And then out here is my balcony, which is, you know, just a balcony. I have a storage closet right there. So my, you know, blinds, curtains, everybody know what that is. My blinds, and I'm trying to hold it so it can defocus. And then let me tell y'all, okay, so I have, you know, those pillows were on my old white couch, but since they don't really match this couch, well, this one does, but those don't. So I just decorated on the floor. I have this lamp. This lamp is from Value City. Oh, and my colors in here are royal blue, white, well, royal blue, tan. I don't know, it's just, royal blue is my accent color. So, and I have this huge couch. This couch, excuse my remote. It's from the American Great Store, American Home Great Store, whatever it is, something like that. So, you know, at first I had my little bitty white couch, and I got this like huge couch. It came with the ottoman, and then I have this throw, and I have a blue accent rug to match the rest of my blue decorations. And then I have this picture. I actually just got this picture, and it's really, really, really pretty. I got this from TJ Maxx. So bar stools, I'm still working on bar stools, y'all, because I don't know what kind or color to get to match, you know, to match this. It's kind of hard. So yeah, right now I just use those, and you know. So if you come back to the front door and turn left, we have my bathroom. So let me turn on my lights. So here's my bathroom, you know. Excuse me because I don't have on my wig. So right here I just have all my, you know, for the most part, favorite. So right here I just have all my favorite perfumes. I got Chanel, Miss Dior, Tender Romance, some Prada, some Missy Miyake, from Jimmy Choo, some Versace, just like little random. And this is like a little oil I put on my face at night. So my color in here is black because my bedroom is black. It's gonna be black, white, and gray. So I have my little Q-tips for my ears. This candle I use when I have company, so if they come pee or boo-boo, you know, it'll still smell fresh and clean. Then I have my, then right here I just have my garbage can. I just finished cleaning up, so there's paper towels in it. My toilet. And I need to go in the closet and fill this back up. So I just keep all my tissue in here. I normally keep like 6 rolls of tissue in here, and I keep my air freshener, but I need to go put some more tissue in there, but I didn't do it. And then I have my tub. It's so long, y'all. It's so long, yeah, I can't find curtains to hit the ground. So this is like my favorite part, almost. So this is my shower and tub. You know, I got some candles right here for when I'm in here drinking my wine, relaxing. This thing falls off the tub so much, yeah, I just keep it right there because in the middle of the night, if it falls, it scares the hell out of me. So yeah, Then on top of my toilet, I have like this little clock. I thought it was cute. So if you come back out like you're going to the kitchen, to the left is like my laundry closet, and it just has like, you know, laundry stuff in there, cleaning supplies. And then this door, this door is my closet. I'm not gonna go too deep into detail in my closet because it's just a closet. So, you know, I keep all my shoes and clothes over here, and down there are just like leggings and other stuff until I don't have any drawers in my room, so I just keep leggings, socks, just chilling clothes down there. And then over here I have, like, if I'm finna go travel, I have my suitcase over here. I got some birthday stuff over here. I got some shoes that I haven't worn. Okay, but anyway, that's my closet, you know, just a basic closet. And then right here, well, like, that's my closet. And if you come back, this is just my bedroom. I'm washing right now, so I just have my bed, my pillows, just, you know, basic stuff. I have over here my TV, my cable box, my game, and that is it. And then that door leads back to my living room. Games, baby. Let me show y'all something. You see that? Okay, but anyways, that wraps up my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because, you know, I know you guys really like apartment tours because my last one did amazing. So leave me recommendations on where I can get bar stools. I may get me a plant to go right here, like a real big cute plant. I don't know. I have a lot of stuff I want to do. I want to change these lights out and get like little cute hanging chandeliers, because I feel like those cute hanging chandeliers look real cute in here. Because, you know, I got the real homey vibe going on right now. So leave me comments and let me know, y'all. And that pretty much wraps up my apartment tour.